The 1965 Chevrolet Corvette is an automotive legend, and one of the finest examples to grace the classic car world is a survivor model that remains largely untouched after decades. This particular Corvette is a standout because it retains its original factory specifications, making it an incredible find for collectors and car enthusiasts alike. What makes this Corvette even more special is its engine, an L76 327 Ci V8, producing 365 horsepower. This engine is a small-block powerhouse, known for its smooth power delivery and impressive acceleration, hitting the quarter-mile in just 14.2 seconds. When paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the driving experience becomes an unforgettable ride, offering vintage thrills that modern sports cars can't replicate. Its 3.70 Posi rear end ensures that the power goes directly to the rear wheels, giving the Corvette a true performance edge. But this 1965 model isn't just about raw power, it's about originality and documentation. The car boasts an incredible set of paperwork, including dealer invoices, window stickers, order forms, and even magazine articles featuring the car. This level of documentation gives potential buyers confidence that they are purchasing a genuine survivor. Furthermore, this particular Corvette is said to be one of the best preserved C2 models in existence, with the current owner claiming it is the best documented example in the world. The exterior of the Corvette is just as impressive. Finished in a striking color, the condition of the car is remarkable given its age. The body is well maintained with minimal signs of wear, reflecting how carefully it has been preserved. The black leather interior adds to its allure, offering a true glimpse into the past with its pristine upholstery and classic styling. Another standout feature is the car's mileage, approximately 65,000 miles, which is relatively low for a vehicle of this age. Combined with the original parts and the impeccable condition, it is easy to see why this Corvette is considered a rare gem. The documentation affirms the mileage and assures collectors that the car has not been tampered with or modified. For enthusiasts looking for an investment-grade classic, this 1965 Corvette is more than just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. The Corvette C2 series, known for its stunning design and performance capabilities, is still highly sought after today. The demand for classic cars, particularly those with the pedigree and authenticity of this Corvette, continues to rise, making it a prime candidate for anyone looking to add a valuable collector's item to their garage. The market for classic cars is always fluctuating, but for those who have the funds, purchasing a survivor Corvette like this one can be a lucrative investment. As manufacturers begin to shift towards electric vehicles, classic cars like the Corvette are becoming even more desirable, cementing their status as not just relics of the past, but as future collectibles.